Namaste, my name is Sambardhini. Myself and along with my teammates Nikita, Sadarshni and Charita are working on a project called Automated Classroom Light Control. The aim of the project is to develop a controller-based model that counts the number of people visiting a particular room and lights it up accordingly.
The components required for this project: Arduino Uno, PIR sensor, relay SPDT, 5,5 volt power supply, light bulb, 1 ohm resistor, photoresistor, breadboard. We had used Tinkercad software for this project. Tinkercad is a free web app for 3D design, electronics and coding trusted by over 50 million people around the world. Built STEM confidence by bringing the project based learning to the classroom.
Now let's see about how the system is working. The main component of this project is PIR sensor, and we have used it to identify the presence of humans. The placement of the sensor is important as it will determine the functioning of the project. We can place the sensor in the entrance of the classroom so that it detects the entering of people inside the classroom. When a person tries to enter the room, sensor detects the person first and then the light is turned on automatically. Hence the light glows until the presence of one or more people inside the classroom. All the controls are carried over by the Arduino that is used in the following circuit. When a person tries to leave the room, sensor automatically directs the person first and then the signal passed to the Arduino. Following by this process will make the Arduino to understand that a person is trying to leave the room, and hence the Arduino will not turn off the light until the last person has left the room. When everyone left the classroom, during this point, the Arduino understands that there is nobody in the classroom and automatically it turns off the light.
Here is the Tinkercad model which have been modeled by our teammates. So here is the working principle of our project. That is, when a PIR sensor is used in a circuit, it automatically diagnoses the presence and absence of the person inside the classroom. Such principle is used. When the PIR sensor detects the presence, the light automatically glows. When the PIR does not detect any presence of the person, then automatically the light glow is off. So let us see the simulation of this project. Here is the simulation which have been prepared by us. So here we have used a PIR sensor, which my friend have earlier told earlier, and a bulb. One of the terminal is connected to the relay and another one is connected to the power supply. We have used Arduino Uno board to make such connections. During the presence of the person inside the classroom, we can vary the frequency of this PIR sensor such that it can detect the presence of the whole students in the whole class. So we are used the photoresistor through which it measures the intensity of the light. We can also vary the intensity of the light using this one. We have used 1 kilo ohm resistor in this circuit to regulate to resist the flow of the current inside this particular circuit. And let us see the simulation of this particular project. So here we can adjust the resistance, the intensity of this particular light. So let us see the simulation of this project. When the person or some students present inside this particular area, let us consider this as a classroom. So when they are present inside the classroom, the light glows. So that means the automatic light glow system is working inside the classroom when the students or persons present inside. When we go out of the classroom, this automatically detects the absence of the person inside this particular classroom. So we can vary the intensity of the light accordingly here. So such that when this sensor detects, it will not glow when that is outside. So here we can see that the power supply to this particular light is off. When we modify this particular frequency, we can also make this light on and off. It is automatically done by using our project.
Applications of
Okay.
this project. Automatic classroom lighting with bidirectional visitor counter can be used to automatically turn on the light in the room when a person enters the room and turn off when person leaves the room. The project can also du- dubbed as an bidirectional visitor counter. It is an integral part of automatic room lighting circuit. The project can be modified with LEDs, and the number of persons in the room increases. The number of LEDs turns on also increases.
Conclude from this project that, in comparison to the traditional energy-saving control system for classroom lights, allocating sensor nodes on the corresponding lights can help to get the general position of the human body and then turn on the corresponding lights to save energy significantly while satisfying illumination demand. Furthermore, this design based on a wireless sensor network can not only reduce changes in the original lighting system but also prepare for the intelligent classrooms expansion. Thank you.